This case considered the issue of certainty in relation to trusts, and whether or not an intermediate power of a trustee for a man's will to add a class of beneficiaries was valid or void for uncertainty. In this case, a man prepared his will, where he conferred a power upon the trustees to distribute his estate at their discretion to any class of beneficiaries, provided there was at least one trustee that was not a beneficiary to his estate. The trustees later added the man's wife and mother to the class of beneficiaries, and some of the existing beneficiaries brought an action and argued that the addition of the class of beneficiaries was invalid, since the trustees' power was invalid, since it was too uncertain. They argued that the certainties that were necessary for a valid trust were not present in this case, since the testator had delegated the responsibility of selecting the objects of the trust, and that the objects of the trust were too widely stated to be sufficiently certain. The central issue before the court, therefore, was whether or not this power conferred upon the trustees was void for uncertainty. The court ultimately